Hi, I'm Susan Heckner with Barbara Stewart Interiors, and I'd like to talk to you today about our bridal registry. As you can see, we have quite a bit for you to choose from. Most of this is stoneware, so that makes it very durable. We have lots of patterns to choose from. Most of our dinnerware is definitely tried and true, so we will not have to deal with discontinueds as far as anything that's real trendy. So I think that's important for a bridal registry, so the bride and groom will be able to keep their dinnerware for years to come. So here's some other items over here for you to choose from. We also have some metal serving pieces over here. And the great thing about the metal serving pieces, I think, is that it doesn't have to be polished, number one. Number two, if you're serving something warm, you can put this metal in the oven up to 300 and it'll maintain that temperature. So if, for example, you're going to serve a cold salad, you can put that bowl in the freezer and it'll keep that salad cold for quite some time. We also set up a table or a shelf for each bride that we have on our registry, and the bride's guests can come into the store and see their selections and make a purchase. Or we also have an online registry. So let me show you that. So here we are at our computer and we've pulled up our gift registry. So I'd like for you to take a look. These are some items that this particular bride has selected, and as you can see, it has the price, the item, how many this bride wants, and the nice thing about it is when purchases are made either online or in the store, then it is recorded right here. So a bride can keep track of gifts very, very easily. So you can see some of the items that they've registered for. We have lots of accessories such as the bookends, a lot of serving pieces, even throws, sheets, steak knives, another serving pieces, cookbooks, and the like. So we would like to invite you, if you've got a wedding in your future, we'd love for you to come in, give us a call, set up an appointment at 270-782-1747. Ask for Susan, and I will be happy to meet you and discuss your wedding needs.